YouTube is a multi-million dollar company. This is the revenue of YouTube in this year. Do you want to start your own platform like YouTube where people will upload videos, other people will like those videos, subscribe to those channels, and you can earn money by running ads? People will run ads on your platform and other people will earn money when somebody clicks on that platform, just like YouTube. Then this is the best video for you. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Bhavan from Raunix, and today we are going to discuss how you can start your own platform like YouTube and how you can launch your own
video streaming platform just like YouTube. And yeah, let's get started. So this is our ready to launch YouTube like website where people can see your videos and they can see different channels just like YouTube. It has light mode and dark mode, both features enabled. In our ready to launch YouTube clone website, you can see a channel like this where you can see the channel name, playlist, everything just like YouTube. Our ready to launch YouTube live application and website have shorts option also where people can like your video, subscribe, comment and everything just like YouTube. So now you can upload your shorts also, and that is how a video looks like. You can see the big size video, landscape mode. You can also like, comment, share and much more. And here is the dashboard of a YouTube channel. You can see the video likes, subscribes and everything just like YouTube. So if you want to start your own YouTube like platform, this is the best option for you. And this is the pro member option. You can upload your premium content on your platform and people need to subscribe pro package to watch it. You can also control a lot of more settings by using the admin panel. For more, kindly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you the best to make your own YouTube like website. And this is the admin where you can see total uploaded videos, total views, total users, subscribe, comments, likes, analytics and everything. You can see it over here. Here you can control the basic settings of our YouTube clone, like you want to have paid content or not, what is the limit of a video, how many likes a video can get and everything. In our YouTube like website and app combo, you get a website, Android app, admin and 1 year free technical support. And here is how you can upload videos. Just drag and drop videos or just click on select media and upload your videos. You can have as many big videos you want and also shorts you can upload. And yeah, this is our YouTube clone. A customer can also enable monetization settings. So if somebody clicks on their ad, they earn money. Yes, our YouTube clone has monetization enabled just like YouTube. In our ready to launch YouTube like application, a customer can also run their own ads just like Google ads available in YouTube. So people can run ads. Other people will allow monetization and click on the ads and you will earn money and you will pay a very fraction amount of money to the creators. And here you can see how shorts will look. And yeah, this is our ready to launch YouTube like website and app which has everything you need to start.
And that's how you can start your own platform like YouTube. If you want to start your own platform like YouTube, you can directly WhatsApp us. This is the details showing on the screen. Or you can also visit raunix.com so our team can help you. You can also mail us on this email ID if you want to start your own taxi app, project tool, courier app, e-commerce app. We have more than 50 plus ready to launch application. So what are you waiting for? Start your online business today. Watch complete videos. Link is available here, or I'll see you in the next video.